Kavita Kukunu sending greetings from the USA. I thank the universe for bringing us together in these unprecedented times. I, on behalf of Ka Homeopathy Study Group Pro Bono, is honored to have this privilege to present our work at Mission 5000 webinar series. I sincerely thank humanitarian Dr. Jawahar Shah for providing our Ka Homeopathy Study Group an opportunity through webinar series. This, which is a wonderful platform to integrate homeopaths around the globe through Mission 5000 webinar series. We greatly appreciate Enlightenment Education team's hard work, efforts, dedication, and commitment. With much gratitude, I salute to founder of homeopathy, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. We grow when we are united and create a healthy and harmonious homeopathic world together. Thank you all.
Friends, it has been a great pleasure to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I am thankful to Dr. Kavita, who is full of energy, full of dynamism, full of creativity, and full of something unusual every day, every time, and every event. She has come up with a wonderful concept of gratitude. Gratitude is the best medicine. It heals our mind, body, and spirit, and attracts more things to be grateful for in life. It's the season that fills us with a lot of gratitude for our loved ones, our growth, our achievements in personal as well as professional life. It's time to be full of joy and full of hope. It's time to let go what is holding us behind. While Christmas brings us together and fills happiness in each one's life and gives us a lot of warmth and comfort and to be hopeful of the upcoming year, it's very, very important that we have a clean slate for new opportunities, new circumstances, new challenges, and new happiness. It is entirely up to us to make these opportunities and to create something extraordinary in our life, or be stuck to the old patterns and go around in circles. We have a solution to break the old patterns. We have to be full of gratitude, open to new ideas, and always be willing to change the way we function. Be prepared for the change. Let me elaborate a little bit more. Right from childhood, I've been thinking something very, very important. Have we ever paid for oxygen, which is our life? Have we paid even one penny? No. Have we paid for the sun, which gives us life, keeps us healthy all the time? If the sun is not there for 7 days, entire humanity will disappear. Have we thanked sun? And so many hundreds of gifts nature has given, like water. We have not paid for it. Nature gives us in abundance. So oxygen, fruit, sun, growth of pulses, vegetables. Mother Earth doesn't ask for any money. Everything comes free. Similar way, whatever we are today, it is because of our parents, our teachers, our mentors, who have given us a lot of wisdom, comfort, love, and all these skills. It is a time to thank them. We would not have achieved anything without them. And it's time that we give it back to the society. We feel grateful. So here I would like to share 3 vital points. One is Ubuntu effect. The second is Redwood effect. And third is Femi story. And you can see here how beautifully Ubuntu video says we are because of homeopathy.
Sometimes when I hear the sounds of children playing, my mind wanders back to my time in Africa. I remember there was this once I was playing with a group of children, and I proposed a rather stupid game. I had placed a basket of strawberries under a tree, and I told the children that the first one to find it could keep them all to themselves. But what the kids did in response changed me forever. Instead of running off one by one to find the basket, they held each other's hands and ran together. And when they found the basket, they all shared the fruit. When I asked them why they did that, they told me, Ubuntu, how can one of us be happy if all the other ones are sad?
I am here only because of homeopathy, and we must be grateful to each and every human being. The second point is secrets of redwood forest. In the redwood forest, 300 feet trees live for 2000 years or 3000 years. And what is the secret? The roots are not very deep. They are just 3 feet below the surface. Faces all the tsunamis, all the problems, all the storms, all the earthquakes, and still it remains where it is. And how? What is the underground secret of redwood forest? They survive because there is a link which grows with each other. Their root system gets entangled with each other. Even if a small baby comes, they develop a permanent bond, and that is what gives them stability. In other words, they support each other. Unity is the strength. So all the human beings, if they get united, they can transform the world. It's time to show the gratitude towards the wonderful things which are happening in our life. Let us all create this redwood effect and grow healthy together. And it's time to start a global movement. I stand up for homeopathy with one voice. And friends, I want to conclude my session with short story of Femi Otedola, multi-billionaire from Nigeria. He shared a beautiful thing that I passed through 4 stages in my life. And then only I could realize what is happiness. Stage 1, he had all the wealth on the earth, but he was not happy. He bought a huge ship, but he was not happy. He had 95% of the diesel control in Africa, but still he was not happy. In the 4th stage, one of the friends requested him to give 200 wheelchairs to disabled children. And the friend insisted that he should personally come and hand it over to the children. Once he donated the wheelchairs to the children, he saw a strange glow and happiness on their faces, sitting on the wheelchairs, moving around. They were like on a picnic. And when he was leaving, one of the child caught hold of his feet tightly. So he thought he wants something additional. He wants something more. So he asked the child, do you want anything more? The answer which the child gave changed his perspective on life. The child says, staring at him, he said, I want to remember your face forever, so that when we meet again in heaven, I should be able to recognize you and I can once again thank you. Friends, this is what homeopathy can do for all of us. We can have Ubuntu effect, we can stand up for homeopathy, and we could have the redwood effect, get united. And like Femi, we do wonderful services to humanity, really people, so that when we go to heaven, there will be a queue of people waiting to meet us, greet us with their smiling faces. It's time that we come together. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year with lot of happiness, lot of peace, and lot of comfort. Thanking you once again, Jawahar from India, wishing you all the love on earth.
Wish you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year to you and your family with a bright future ahead.